Next, I would call upon AMRITHA, Mohan, Kumar. Please, Dr. Charles. Dr. Amrita, how was your experience with Self-Mastered?
I would also like to start by thanking my family first and all my professors in Self-Mastered, especially Aman sir, Marwa sir, and Krishna Kumar sir, because they opened a new way to see these subjects, and you can really see their passion, which just seeps out. Even if maybe sometimes they might be like maybe everybody is like like sometimes they're not in the mood, or like maybe sometimes they feel lazy, but when you're passionate about something, it just comes out of you. And these sirs are so passionate about their subject, and it just makes you see these subjects in a new way. And then I would like to thank Charles sir and Anubetan because they made this experience in Self-Mastered very cordial, and they were like my brothers. And also all my friends who supported me in studying. I had a study group here, and I'm very happy to say that we all passed, and it's a it was quite a big study group, and we all passed. Study group Blessin, Devadat, Praveen, Steve, Rocky, Ben, Abhijit. And we used to always get scoldings from Anubetan, because he used to always say, everybody complains of your group, you're making a lot of noise, you should not disturb the other people. But I am really happy that we all passed, and even Vani and Jissa. So everyone passing, it's just like it exponentiates your happiness, and I'm really happy. This is one hurdle that we all passed, and I'm sure there are many more hurdles which we are going to pass successfully.
So you used to do the group discussions here?
We used to do group discussions, and we used to just ask questions, and it used to be like a fun thing to in the group to jump into.
So that was helpful.
It was not only helpful for the studies, but it was also good for relieving your stress, because it was a fun thing that we used to do after long hours of studying. In the end of the day, you just ask the questions, and you try to quiz them.
It's better to recall afterwards.
Yeah. And it was like a game, because you ask it in a group, and you're just so excited to just shout out your answers. And we used to have a lot of fun during those sessions, because we used to say a lot of blunders. And even for me, like you sometimes study the wrong concepts, and you will not realize it unless somebody else will point it out to you.
So you would encourage your juniors to be doing group discussions here?
Yeah, but I do, because everybody has their own strengths and weaknesses and their own methods of studying. So you should all find your own method. But having a group really helps you even during your down days, because even when we are stressed, and we just discuss with them, and they are also facing the same stress, and then just a few jokes, and then that day is over.
Any books that you preferred during your preparation?
Actually, the thing is, whatever you're studying, you should finish that from A to Z. So I'm kind of a lazy person, so I just stuck to the class notes, and even finishing that was like a big thing for me, because I couldn't study for like so long. So I just have these bouts of high energy studying sessions, and then I used to go sleep in my bed for some time, and then I used to come back. So I just stuck with the notes. So whatever you're studying, you're going to forget it. You're going to forget at least 70%, 30-40% of it after 3 or 4 days. So you need to keep revising something. So you should stick with something that you will be able to revise for 2-3 times. in my case, I couldn't do that. That was my goal, but I could only revise it 2 times or something. But the questions in the exam, they are more clinically oriented. So it's your knowledge and not whatever you're writing up. So the knowledge stays with you, but the facts you may forget.
Thank you so much, Doctor.